Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Clash Royale on your Amazon tablet. So in the first step we have to open the web browser, then look for the Clash Royale APK in the Google. Remember, we are downloading it from the unofficial source, so you have to be careful and you doing it at your own risk. Okay, now tap on the download APK. Now choose your web browser, or maybe if you have the APK Pure app, you can choose it also, and tap on the download APK again. I have downloaded this file before, so we can launch it now. And click install. If you need, add a permission to the installing files. Okay, now we can open it. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway, I can say it's worked perfect, but a little bit loud. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.